one, I want to say thank you to our pastors and elders for guiding us with love, inspiring us through God's Word, and showing us what it means to live with a purpose. Thank you for your unwavering support, prayers, and wise leadership. Your commitment to our church family strengthens us all. We are forever grateful for each of you. May God bless you as you serve with such compassion and faithfulness. We love you po. Bye!
Hello mga ka-JCLGF! Kumusta na kayo? Miss ko na kayong lahat! Kaya naman kahit nandito ako sa malayo ay nice kong makiselebrate sa inyo ng Pastor's Appreciation Day. Kay Pastor Ray, kay Pastor Rod, and of course kay Pastor Erwin, thank you for the exceptional services that you are doing for all of us, and of course for the whole of JCLGF. Hindi po kayo nagmamaliw sa paglilingkod sa Panginoon sa kabila ng may mga challenges sa ministry. At kaya you have inspired us to be steadfast in the Lord's service as well. Ayan po, talagang kayo po ay inspirasyon sa amin bilang mga anak ng Diyos. And JCLGF is so blessed to have you three as our pastors. And of course, yun din pong ating mga elders who are also used by God sa furtherance ng gospel at of course sa development ng church. So know that you are loved and prayed for. Ayan, nabulol na. Anyway, ang Panginoon po ang mag-bless sa inyo abundantly with good health, strength, and happiness in your personal and in your family lives. So, nandito po ako ngayon sa South Carolina and I greet you all with Happy Sunday, of course, at Happy Family Day. Ayan, ito po yung bahay ng aking pamangkin. Nandito ako sa harap. At of course, Happy Pastor's Appreciation Day. Ito po yung community, yung subdivision where my niece lives. So, ayan po. Mula dito sa South Carolina, muli ay isang pinagpalang Sunday at Happy Pastor's Appreciation Day sa inyong lahat. Enjoy the family day. Bye. God bless.
We appreciate all of the pastors and elders for being great and good model for the young people. Period. Bye-bye!